All right, back on the axle. Took the die grinder and cleaned that out a little bit where it had caved in when we piled it in the axle sleeves. And you can see I've got a good 1/8 of an inch. They're recessed in. Mike wants to have the axle vertical when he welds that. This is all prepped, ready to be welded, all the rosette welds. So there's 6 3/8 holes on the short side and 8 on the long side. You can see the axle standing up. Mike wants it that way so he can get a nice bead and have that sit in there on the end. Should be pretty nice.
I gotta figure out why this thing shuts off.
Okay, so you can see that the axle tube has been welded on the end. I took a die grinder and just dressed it up a little bit. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now we'll flip it over and do the other side. So you can see the ends are welded. Now we've got our little 3/8 holes to be filled in. You have 4 of them right here. And we'll just be rotating this axle and get these all filled in. All right, brother. Not bad. Not bad. He's on a roll. He's doing great. You can see after the rosettes are filled in, there you go. I hit that with a flap wheel and just cleaned it up a little bit, but you can see they just completely fill the holes in. So really nice. Really nice. Slid in there pretty damn good.
So you did watch it, guys.
Huh?
You did watch it.
I didn't watch all of it. I only watched.
All right, here's our first lower control arm mount. So the tricky thing was to see that level line, that's what you have to have parallel to the perch right there. And then you got a measurement of 3 9/16 from the edge of the perch to the edge of the new mount. So Mike's going to town on the other one right there for the new Barnes lower control arm mount. You can see Recon 1 axle is out. Cooter's working on welding up the new Barnes lower control arm mounts. We have new shock mounts. A lot of work. We're gonna be wrapping it up pretty soon for this evening. All right, so you can see that the lower control arm mounts are, Mike really burned them in good. New shock mounts. Just trying to, putting in the effort today so that tomorrow can be more reassembly and the sleeves are in, all welded up. All the rosette welds are done. Lower control arm mounts are completely welded in. All right, so are we happy with the shock mount? That's.
I'm doing.
And then when we flip them, we'll do.
I'm doing a little in here, what I can get.
Yeah, and then we'll flip across the bottom, right? Yep. Which is still 1,000,000,000 times better than a stock mount. There we go. So what Mike will be doing now is bringing the bead right across the bottom and tying it all in. Pretty impressive when you think.
Woo! It's my first day.
When you think of the piece of shit that we had and how twisted and rotten they were,